I'm so excited to share with you the best green smoothie I've ever had. So if you're like me and you struggle with your weight, you want to monitor your sugar, therefore monitoring your fruit intake. And when you're taking the fruit out of a smoothie, you're taking the fun away, and drinking a green smoothie without fruit can taste like you're just drinking someone's front lawn. Not this one. This one doesn't involve fruit, just greens, and it tastes amazing. It tastes great, it's nutrient dense, and it's really, really filling. It'll fill you up for hours. So this recipe is inspired by a recipe from a really great nutritionist named Kelly LeVeque. You should definitely check out her book if you haven't already. It's filled with a bunch of fun, healthy recipes. And her client list includes people like Molly Sims, Chelsea Handler, Jessica Alba, and I'd say those ladies are doing great, so I think she knows what she's talking about. Her philosophy in building a smoothie is called the Fab Four, meaning protein, fat, fiber, and greens. So I basically let that philosophy inspire me, and I created a recipe that I love. So what you'll need for this smoothie is your favorite protein powder, your favorite non-dairy milk, almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, a half of an avocado, and a handful of your favorite greens. Okay, so let's start with our base, which is your favorite non-dairy milk. I'm an unsweetened almond milk girl myself, but you can use whatever you want. So we're gonna do 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. Next, we're gonna move to protein powder, and this is my favorite protein powder. It's the only protein powder I'll use. Ancient Nutrition Collagen Protein Powder in vanilla. It's collagen protein because who doesn't want the benefits of healthy hair, skin, and nails in your smoothie? I do. It's also really, really smooth. It blends easily. It absorbs easily. It's not chunky. It's not chalky. It's amazing. So we're gonna do 2 scoops, 2 hefty scoops into your almond milk. The 2 scoops of protein is the protein on the list of protein in the Fab Four. Next, for our fiber. I love chia seeds, so you want 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You can use flax seeds, whatever you prefer. I love chia seeds, and this is going to be our fiber. Next, our fat. An avocado. Who doesn't love an avocado? It also gives the smoothie just like a really creamy, filling texture. You're gonna do a half of an avocado. Just scoop your half of an avocado right on it. Next are our greens. You just need a handful of greens, and it can be any green of your choice. You can use spinach. I love kale, so I'm using baby kale. Just a handful, so it can be as big or as small of a handful as you want. And that's it. Now it's time to blend. And we're done. It's seriously so good. It tastes like something refreshing that they would give you at a spa. I know it might not sound good blending vanilla with kale, but it just cuts the greens a little bit, so it makes it super, super refreshing. The only thing I would say is do not use the chocolate kind. I used that, it was a terrible mistake. You can also add mint or lemon to this if you would like. I like to keep it simple with just those few ingredients. Like I said, this is super refreshing, really, really healthy, really nutrient dense, and it'll keep you full for hours. And that's my favorite green smoothie. As always, if this is something you're into, hit subscribe and feel free to let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. Bye!